Hey everyone, it's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. We're here at the Bell exhibit for their helicopters for executives. And I wanted to give you a quick look at this massive one that's strictly customized. That'll set you back. And I'm standing at the actual wingtip of the rotor blade. So I wanted to show you. Let me show you the inside of what they consider an air taxi. They're using VR. And I think some of it might be AR.
It's sizable. I wouldn't say that, but it's a size.
If that's the future, if that's the future, that would be great. Look at that. I think you can fit four in there with golf clubs. I think it seats 4. It needs a pilot or no?
It's autonomous?
Autonomous. The only way to go. Well, this will be definitely a success. Room for your clubs, that's all any guy wants to know. Anything smaller, you know you can fit like a tennis racket.
Absolutely.
But this is the way to go. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Very welcome. Thank you.
Now let's take a look over here at a different Bell. It's amazing. I'm learning so much more about helicopters and enjoying them more. No wonder Tony Robbins has his helicopter rating. Look at the style of these. And the painting is actually incredible. So I think I'm going to shut it down for now. We're going to go over to the other pavilion and we'll be doing some more recording when we get over on that side in the North Hall. JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. Back to you.